个要看到尾巴了，Come on，
看不到，看不到。
跳出来嘛，最好是跳出来笑。
Oh, yes, come over here. Come over here.
在摄影室里面，别跳了。
So, one more jump.
Yeah, big jump, big jump.
Coming up. Coming up.
All right, jump.
Oh, jump.
Oh, boy.
Oh.
Beautiful.
Along the side.
See him? Right there. Yeah, you got
Ah,
right there.
yeah.
有一坨灰灰的。
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
哦，就出来了，这样分析了。
啊，
干嘛不跳？
Okay, guys, whenever you're ready. No, not yet, mate. Well, he says whenever you're ready. Seriously, folks, we're going to have to start packing it up now, so...
Okay.
風がヘリコプターよりお客様にご案内申し上げます。ご覧ください。
Wow. Sarah, you're taking a picture of the wrong thing, Sarah.
I got it. The whole one dress never.
Through some coral samples.
We can't see over
It's just what we want to do is try and have a seat up here. So if you wouldn't mind, we're just trying to keep this front seat free. It's
just can't see past you.
That's the only.
You can leave your bag there.
Might move along a bit for us.
It's a new toy he's got down here.
But yeah, feel free to jump in and ask some questions. Obviously, what we are talking about today is the Great Barrier Reef. It's the largest coral structure in the world. It happens to be home to more fish and animals than any other reef ecosystem on the planet. So it's fairly special in that respect. The main reason for our reef being so pristine is it because of environmental conditions. And we will go through those with you very soon. But environmental conditions are very important and they're vital to the success of these close, but not too close to the equator. We need very strict water temperatures. We're looking at about 22 degrees Celsius in the summer, so about 22 in the winter and roughly 30 in the summer. And in our area here of North Queensland, we get just that. So I suppose 30 degrees, and that middle red dot is Brisbane. So the reef stopping just north of Brisbane in a town called Bundaberg. Okay, so stretching for about 2,300 kilometres. A little bit too sandy, too much sediment in the water down there, so we don't have much coral towards Brisbane. That's Brisbane. Okay, there's also some lovely corals north of the tip as well. PNG has some lovely corals up there. We have the Fly River, ranging in size. Now when we talk about these reefs around the world, what we're really talking about are tiny, oops. I'll just show everyone, but can everyone sort of see that okay? Yeah, okay, excellent. So the coral polyp basically is very closely related to a sea jelly. In fact, the sea anemone and the sea jelly are the coral's closest relatives. Now, what you're looking at is basically rows of tentacles, usually in multiples of 6 or 8. They surround a soft tissue edge with a mouth in the middle. Some corals have this external skeleton or cup that we'll talk about really soon. It's a pretty basic looking animal. Has a stomach and a tubing, has a mouth and some soft tissue and tentacles. These tentacles contain exactly the same stinging cells as you see in sea jellies. And They range in potency, but they all sting. So that's about 1 millimetre in size. So, individually, these animals that build this reef structure are less than the size of a match head. You can't even, that can be seen from outside, but they're half the size of your pinky fingernail. You can't even see them. So that is mind-blowing. That an animal that you can't even see individually can collectively build something that looks like that. It's absolutely amazing. Now, what look like all muddled together. Great, barrier reef, that's what we've all come to see. There's about 400 different species. We put them into 2 groups. One is known as a reef-building hard coral. The other is known as a soft coral. Pretty simple stuff. And these reef-building hard corals secrete calcium carbonate or limestone from the seawater. Okay? They use that, I suppose it houses and protects the animal whilst it's alive. Okay? So it's only a very small little coral-like cup, about the size of, a little bit bigger than the actual animal itself. Okay? So, all these hard corals here do exactly the same thing. Thanks, Skipper. Okay, so